saying they need to have a fucking right from the field to blast them
I hope my phone don't pick up that music. I'm gonna get a copyright thing on YouTube. I got a copyright for being in the store.
I got flagged twice for listening to music while fucking copying or recording my video on down playing the game.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I was listening to fucking Korn.
Like the band?
Yeah.
I love Korn.
Got fucking copyrighted.
Why is my flash?
I didn't get copyrighted here, but I got copyrighted in other countries.
Oh yeah? That's what it'll say too. You're like copyrighted blah 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 blah. Yeah, I was in the store, I was doing a toy vlog, toy video, whatever. I'm looking at toys, whatever. People, it's pretty big on YouTube. I'm trying it out, and I got flagged. But I got stopped I stopped that shit on the game because I have Xbox, so I can just record clip by clip, and then go in and put it together later.
Well, my PlayStation, it does that now.
You can stream live on YouTube, so that's fire right there. Xbox
I can
lacking.
do clip to clip, or I can do actual made video straight to fucking YouTube.
Oh hell yeah! That's what I like about it.
I got the PS5.
Oh yeah. I should have stuck with PS. I knew I should have. But my options at that time, I need a new system. I got a new game coming out. I already paid for it. Like my other one broke, whatever the fuck. So PlayStation went down, and there was an Xbox available, and I said, "Fuck it, this is gonna be the 1 year I do it," and then I've just been stuck. We got a lot of good stuff too out of it. Like we do Twitch. We do Twitch as we're playing, shit like that.